MAXIM is a leading analog and mixed signal semiconductor company. We are about $2.5 billion in revenue, and we have 9,000 plus employees worldwide. We have about 15,000 plus customers, and our customers are centered in four major markets. They are both in the fast-paced consumer and computing market, as well as in the stable industrial and communication markets. When we started looking at implementing an advanced planning systems, that was in 2000. And we had at that time disparate systems. Our supply chain solutions were there were different groups who were managing different parts of the plan. We wanted to have a single synchronized plan. And that's what was the trigger, essentially getting down from a weekly cycle to a daily cycle, and being able to have one plan was what drove us to implement the advanced planning solution. We looked at different vendors, and we chose JDA or JDA or I2 at that time as our partner in this journey. So we have implemented supply chain planner, factory planner, inventory optimizer, and demand fulfillment over the last 10 years. And with these solutions, we have seen tremendous improvements. What these solutions enabled us was to define a process of managing a single plan. It also gave us visibility into where our supply chain constraints were, how should we manage our customer lead times, how should we be positioning our inventory in the supply chain, and what should we be committing to our customer, and define processes of ownership around the plan, data management, and who is also to make sure that the factory is executing to the plan that we are generating. So we put in processes to make sure that the plan that we were suggesting was getting executed. We also put in detailed factory level plan so that not only at the master level plan that we were generating, but also at the factory level, the plan is getting executed. The inventory targets that we are setting is getting built. And we also set up processes to measure how we are performing against the promises that we are making to customer. Along with this, what happened is with the financial crisis that happened in 2008, we realized that we also needed to do something more in the customer service front. So we, as part of the executive team management decision, we consolidated the supply planning function under one central supply chain organization who was responsible for now the delivery. So there is one organization. It's not siloed now under each business unit. There's for a customer, there is only one organization that is responsible for delivery, as well as we consolidated all the customer operations under one organization as well. So the customer faces a seamless experience when dealing with MAXIM. So along with both the supply planning processes as well as the customer experience that the customer is facing, that improved our supply chain, and that also was recognized by our customers as we received several awards we got the Rockwell Collin Supplier Award, as well as by NEDA as the Excellent Supplier in 2011. And by many of the Tier 1 customers, we were recognized as the preferred suppliers. We went from lower in ratings to being the preferred supplier now. And all 18 of our strategic customers now recognize us as preferred supplier. So these performances now have led to reduction in not only we have reduced our lead time so that we can meet our customers' expectations, but we have not done that by increasing inventory. So by intelligently using the inventory optimization, we have also cut down our inventory while improving the customer service levels. So now we have had a reduction of about 25% in our overall days of inventory. If you look at from our financials from 2009 to now, you'll see a reduction of about 25% in inventory. And also our delivery performance has gone up by 15 basis points over the same time period. Some of the features that help us in running our day-to-day features are ability to promise to our customer instantaneously, ability to reflect the changes in our supply in the commitments that we're making to the customer daily, ability to set the target levels where we want to hold how much inventory at which locations at the multi-echelon level, as well as ability to see where the problems are, where the constraints are in the supply chain, are some of the key benefits that we get out of the solution. Along with that, we also set up a detailed schedules for how the factory should be running. And our ability to manage that factory schedule, as well as ability to react to demand changes and change the factory schedule as needed, is also some other benefits that we get on a day-to-day operation. Like now there's one plan, we can react faster, we can see the problems that are out there, what capacity constraints, we can do the long-term capacity planning. And our ability to also set the targets and increase our service levels. Those are some of the benefits that our users are reporting, and they like the optimization that happens in the JDA solution.